Andrea Anderson from Your Marketing Machines, and today we're going to talk about step 5 of the 7 critical success factors of marketing. Today is actually going to be talking about the lifetime profit value of a customer. Bit of a mouthful, but incredibly essential. Here's the really important question I want to be asking you, and that is, have you actually sat down and calculated what the lifetime profit value of a customer is to you? Because you've heard the saying, it's a lot easier and a lot cheaper to keep a client than it is to go find a new one. So how do we work out the lifetime profit? It really is very, very simple. Firstly, you take one particular client, you look at the profit that you make from that client for every sale. Let's say that you have a client who spends $100 with you. You know your net profit from that is going to be $50, and they buy from you twice a year. So you know that at the end of the year, that particular client is going to be worth $100 profit. Now let's say that they stay with you for the next 3 years. Suddenly, you know that that one particular client is worth $300 to you in their lifetime value. In other words, the length of time that they're actually going to buy from you. And why is that important to you? That you'll find out when we get to number 7 of the critical success factors of marketing. So reach out to us at www.yourmarketingmachines.com.au so one of our consultants can get in contact with you.